In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you page in GoHighLevel. First, open GoHighLevel and log into your account so you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Sites. This is where all of your web assets live in GoHighLevel, including funnels and traditional websites. Next, click on Websites to view the list of sites you've already set up. If you manage multiple brands or locations, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace so you don't add the page to the wrong site. Find the website you want to work with and select it to open its Pages area. Now, choose Add New Page. This starts the process of creating your thank you page. You'll be prompted to give the page a name. Use something clear and recognizable like thank you or order confirmation so you and your team can find it easily later. Right below that, set the path, which is the end of the URL. Keep it short and relevant, such as thank you. Avoid spaces or special characters. Dashes work well and help with readability. You'll also see an option to import from ClickFunnels, whether you're using the classic version or ClickFunnels 2.0. If you already have a thank you page design there, importing can save a lot of time and help maintain visual consistency across platforms. If you're not importing, go ahead and choose to create a new page. Once the page is created, hover over it and select Create from Blank. This opens the page builder and gives you a clean canvas. Start by adding a headline element. Your headline should immediately confirm what just happened and thank the visitor, for example, thank you, your submission was received, or thanks for your purchase. Keep it specific to the action the visitor just took so there's no confusion. Below the headline, add a short paragraph that explains what comes next. For example, mention when they can expect a follow-up email, a call, or access to a download. This reduces support questions and sets clear expectations. Keep your tone warm and on brand. You can tweak fonts, colors, and spacing to match the rest of your website so the page feels cohesive. If your brand uses a logo or a simple image, consider placing it near the top for instant recognition. Keep the layout uncluttered. The purpose of a thank you page is clarity and reassurance. If you include any links, make them obvious and label them clearly. That's all it takes. You've created a clean, effective thank you page in GoHighLevel, complete with a clear headline and next steps for your visitors.